Hi everybody, happy Friday. I hope you've enjoyed the week and you're looking forward to the weekend. I've been getting quite a lot of people asking me about other tips that I can share with some whiteboards, so I've kind of put a few bits together that I thought may well be of use. So I'm going to share my full screen with you rather than just the Zoom window, for instance. Zoom seems to be the one that's getting the most interest at the moment in regards to top tips, etc. So this is my findings. Quite a lot of people have asked me, how can I see who's annotated on the whiteboards? Also, how do you create them? So this is what I thought I would do this very quick video about today. So I'm going to go into share screen on Zoom. Of course, you can see here that my slides are already ready to go into. I select that and then click share. So that's going to bring up the question for the learners to answer, of course. What skills are needed to facilitate an engaging online session? I'm going to move the slide forward, and this then gives the learners the opportunity to write on the whiteboard. But what I can do is I can go up to the very top of my screen, and in the host panel at the very top of your screen you have a few options that drops down on the right hand side when you click on more, and you can click on show names of annotators. So when somebody annotates, I'll annotate on this one and just put, I don't know, multitasking, for instance. Quite small, but nonetheless. ZZ Sam, and I'll also show you how you can, in a future video, how you can actually set up a second machine or a second laptop, for instance, so you can then view it from an attendee's perspective as well. So I'll just get Sam to bring her annotation tools on, and then for her to just write something as well to facilitate and ask questions, for instance. So when Sam clicks away, or ZZ Sam on the second side, as you can see here, it already highlights who has actually typed the particular answer. You then, as the facilitator, go up to the toolbar, your annotation toolbar, you select the select tool, and as you hover over each of the annotations, or the text if you like that the learner has written, it actually highlights who's written that piece of text. So in this case I can say, Sam, fantastic, you've put multitasking. I can open up their mic if I wish to, for instance, especially if they've typed over each other. I can also move them around once I've selected that select tool. And also I can see ZZ Sam there, my second laptop, has typed facilitate and ask questions, for instance. So of course if I had lots of learners here, I can then simply click on their text, move it around a little bit, and then I can see exactly who's typed what. And that's Friday's top tip for today. Have a great weekend. See you very soon.